You might be watching this video sitting in a group, a meeting, an event, a breakout at a conference, I don't know. But here's the challenge I'm inviting you into. Is it possible for me, the facilitator in this moment, to lead a 1-minute workshop? Meaning, can I invite you into a conversation that is so relevant, so meaningful, so useful to you that you only need this video to be 1 minute and the rest of your time together can be self-organizing into small groups to have really relevant, meaningful conversations? And so, here's my question to you. You ready? I think no matter who you are, what context you're in, the question, inspired by an author here of mine, Peter Block, is very simply going to be, what is a crossroads you are at right now, and what about that is important? What is a crossroads you are at right now, and what about that is important? And my invite right now is to split up into groups of 3, because the world changes in small groups, not large ones. Split out into groups of 3, have that conversation, and when you come back, imagine that I came back and said, what struck you about those conversations? What did you notice about those conversations? And popcorn that out into the large group. You can stop the conversation as soon as it becomes irrelevant or not meaningful. Ready, set? What is a crossroads you are at, and what about that is important?